Hello, guys. It's Gospel once again, and I want to welcome you to this, section of my Java training. You understand? Program. You understand? So, and I will also advise you to always subscribe. You understand? To like, and at the same time share my YouTube videos whenever you go there to watch it. You understand? And in this particular one, we are going to be going straight to what we have this moment. You understand? So, we are going to be looking at, how to create Java or how to create a class in Java programming language. And it's a very simple thing that that you will see now, and it won't be something of difficult to you again. And in this particular tutorial, I've been using NetBeans. You can also make use of other IDEs, but I prefer using NetBeans. So, and in this one, we won't take much time again than to go straight and begin to look into what we have in this video. Are you with me? So, all right, let's go. What is I still want to say one or two things about Java class. You understand? Before we go into creating it in our NetBeans. And so, as you can see on the screen, it has come up classes. So, what is a class? A class is a blueprint or a template used to create objects. A class is a template or blueprint used to create objects. So, and class just is just like a concept, you understand, that you cannot hold. And there are objects or different kinds of objects that we can have in a class. A class contain objects that have similar behaviors and similar properties. You understand? I can have a class called person, and the person will now contain different persons. You understand? I can have somebody like Joseph, you understand, inside a class, and that Joseph will now become an object inside a class called person. I can have another person, you understand, maybe called God's will, you understand, and and God's will now become an object in that class. So an object is like the real thing that we can touch within a class. Why a class itself is like a concept that we use to to create the object itself right now. And I want us to now look into the structure of a class in Java. You understand? So as you can see on the screen, this is the structure of a Java class. You can see public class sample, then public static void main string args, and inside the curly braces of the main method, we now have system.out.println hello world. You understand? So I think it's time for us to go into our NetBeans so that I can fully explain it, why I create class there, or I show you how to create class. You understand? So that it won't be an issue in order of our trainings that will be coming after this video in Java programming. You understand? So let's go now into our NetBeans and see how we can create this guy. So let's bring up our NetBeans in this place, and as you can see our NetBeans on the screen, and at the at the side of the screen we can see our project. You understand? So, and you can see Java underscore project. Inside it we have source packages, and in this place you can go ahead and expand it. You also see Java projects, you understand, as a package. And now we can, in this place, we can right click in this place and create a new class. Just right click on the package, you create a new class, and you can give it a name to be let me say something like sample. You understand? I think that it is sample that we have in our or sample class or thereabout that we have in what we just looked into. So now click on finish. Click on finish. Click on finish, and after it has loaded, this is what we are going to see on our on our NetBeans screen. This is actually NetBeans, you understand? And within it now we now have to bring up our public static void main. And because of time of typing this all of the time, I think I want to show you a shortcut. You can always type PSVM, which stands for public static void main, and you click tab. It's going to appear. And I want us to print out something by typing, just type SOUT, then tab. Is going to appear again, and I can now type what I want to print out on the console output. You understand? In this place to be hello world. Hello world. You understand? So, and this is actually the how to create a class, and I'm going to explain each and every one of these right now. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to explain it one after the other. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we now have public static, public class sample. You understand? So what does public stands for? This public stands for, it's just a kind of show how this class will be. The accessibility of the class is called access modifier. You understand? Meaning that this class can be accessed outside this class itself or outside this Java class file. And looking at the next thing after this public is class. This class is a keyword that we always come whenever we are creating a Java class. And this sample that you can see here is the name that we give to our Java class. As you can see from the creation, or as you can see in this place, we have sample.java. Then every other thing, the other things that are now existing, everything that you are doing must exist inside the opening and closing brackets of Java. As you can see, this class started from this place, and this class now closed in this place, and every other things exist inside it. So, and the next thing that we can see is public static void main, guys, string args, and it also has its own curly braces. So any Java console application, the entry point for it is always a main method. What did I say, guys? A main method. And in this place, this public is what allows the JVM to access the main method, guys. While this static, is a keyword that allows methods to be called from outside this class without you necessarily instantiating the instance of the class, meaning that without you creating the object of this class. That's what this keyword does. Then why this void, you understand, what represents the kind of data type value that this method is going to return. And it is, as you can see, void. It will not return anything by itself. Then now, this adds store arrays of it stores arrays of string the type or data type. And within this place now the system.out.println is what displays our result at the output console, or and now system provides access to the resources, you understand, for the output. Why out is the output stream that is connected to the console. Then println is a method or inbuilt method that is being used to display our string values, guys. So now let's run this code by right clicking on this. You now, after you save it, just right click and click on run file. So going back to our program, guys, you can see our program at the end of the day. You can run with in different ways. You can also click on this to run your projects, and another way that you can run your project is by clicking F6 to run your project. So guys, this is where we are going to stop in this training, you understand, showing us how to create Java class, and in the next classes you will also understand this more and more. Guys, continue to go and watch my YouTube channels, and as you watch, always subscribe, like, and share to to people. And thank you for watching this video.